I made this book for free on Canva and then uploaded it to Amazon KDP.
If you head over to Amazon, you're gonna see right here, this is amazon.com. These particular books right here that are listed here are basically tutorial articles. So in this very video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an ebook on Canva, and this is not complicated. Even with your mobile phone, you can do this without laptop. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 simple steps that will help you to generate this ebook. The first thing you have to do is simply head over to your browser section right here. You can show here, this is amazon.com. okay, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and create your account on Amazon KDP. This is Amazon KDP right here. Okay, so this is amazonkdp.com. This is just like a back end to Amazon website. Okay, so all you do here is to simply publish your book. When you publish your book on this very platform, then you're going to see it on the front end where buyers can easily see it, right? So all you need to do is simply create your account on Amazon KDP right here by clicking on this join Amazon. All right, once your account is created, you have to make sure you get your book and publish your book. So to create your account on Amazon KDP, all right, so that's the number 1 step. So the second step you have to follow is to simply head over to your Canva. This is Canva here. Okay, so you need to do is simply come over to Canva. You create your account as well. So once you're on Canva, you're going to see right here there are a bunch of things you can easily do on Canva. Just come over to Canva, then you have to simply type in ebook. You're going to see right here we have ebook multiple pages, we have ebook template pages, we have all of that. Okay, you can either select ebook multiple pages or you go for ebook template. Okay, so let's go for the ebook multiple pages. If you click on that, then this very page is going to simply open. Then we're going to simply select the one we want. Okay, you can see right here there are a bunch of templates you can easily select. You can show right here most of them are pro, most of them are free. Okay, so we're going to simply focus on those free templates, right? Okay, so for you to select any of these, you have to make sure you go to your Amazon and see what others are designing. Okay, you can see right here this is what others are designing. It's not really compulsory if you focus on these search terms. All right, so you can decide to create any other thing if you make your own research. So there are a lot of keywords, there are a lot of trending keywords that you can easily focus on. Okay, and I've already created a full PDF file that will help you to get the best keywords for your books. Okay, chat me up from there. I'm going to simply provide you this free PDF. It is totally for free. You're not paying anything for this. Okay, so with this free PDF, you're going to get all the trending keywords for Amazon. So if you've done that, let's get into the video, right? So you need to do simply come over here, then check out what others are designing, the type of cover that they're using for each of their own books. Okay, so for instance, let's say you want to write on how to make money or how to monetize your Facebook page in Nigeria. Okay, so we have to simply head over to Canva. Okay, let's select this one, then customize it. Okay, then click on this customize button, allow it to load, then click on this. Then the next thing we're going to do right now is simply customize it. Okay, so remember we are focusing on Facebook, how to monetize on Facebook. Okay, so you can easily go ahead and select this, then choose another color. Let's select blue. Remember Facebook is blue. Okay, so let's select blue. Then this should be white. Then let's select white, but that white is not really what we want. This blue background, I am still trying to figure out what it's gonna give us. Okay, so let's this be what color should we go for, blue or white? Okay, white should be okay. Then select this, and also for this white, this black background should be removed. Let's customize the color. Then we're going to simply look for any elements related to Facebook. Okay, so let's say Facebook logo. Let's search for something like that, then click on see more. Okay, so these are the things you have to do. Let's see if this one is gonna, this is a pro version, this is for free. So let's say this is what we have now, and you remember this is just a cover. We've not added the pages. Okay, then you have to simply click on this page. You can see why we've already added a page, and right now we have page 1, which is the cover, and we can easily go ahead and download this page here. Okay, so before adding the first page of this very book, you have to make sure you generate the content of these pages. Okay, so let's say for instance we've already written a blog post. I want to use this very blog post as the content of this very ebook. Then we're going to simply go over to my website. Okay, remember Amazon KDP doesn't accept AI generated content and the rest of that. Then go to one of my blog posts. If you click on this see post, all posts, then this is going to open right now. To scroll down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to simply convert this very content to an ebook. Go to edit posts. Okay, so remember you cannot use anybody's content for your ebook. Make sure that you write your content by yourself to avoid getting your account deleted by Amazon KDP. All right, so this is very crucial. You have to make sure you pay close attention to this. Don't do anything tricky to avoid getting your account banned. We're going to simply first of all create our type of content. Okay, so let's say our table of contents should be all of these headings here. You copy this, come over to your page. You have to make sure you add the white background to this. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do right now is simply come over to text heading. Let's scroll up a little bit. And you can simply go ahead and decrease the size if you don't like how it looks. Okay, so if you add that, then the first table of content, let's say these are subheadings. The next step should be to add the content of these very pages. Okay, you have to add the next page. Okay, then you have to simply copy this. Remember, you can easily go ahead and add background to your pages. Okay, You can easily go ahead and give them an introduction, okay, before giving them the content. Like these are just introduction, okay. You can easily copy this, then come back here, okay. Then let's say this should be the introduction. You just have to make sure you take your time and do this. So this is just a tutorial, that's why I'm rushing it, okay. You just have to copy this one after the other. Make sure you add all of them here, okay. Then you have to simply use Grammarly and correct any mistakes or any abbreviation that you didn't add well, okay. Let's say for instance this is our ebook right here, okay. So you can easily go ahead and go through it. So once you add all the content, you can see right here the ebook is already set, okay. First of all, you have to simply come over to this section that says share. You click on this download, then download the first page. Remember these 4 pages are selected, okay. Then we have to simply download only the first page, okay. Click on download. The reason why we are downloading this first page is because it is now our cover, okay. So after downloading the first page, we have to simply go ahead and download the main ebook, okay. Then remember we've already downloaded this, it's already done. Then click on share again. Then now you're going to simply select this download again, then go to the all pages, select all the 4 pages. These are the 4 pages. Then we have to simply change this to from PNG to PDF, okay. Select PDF standard, okay. Then click on that, then click on download, then select this, click on this if you're on free mode, okay. So let's allow it to load. It is done downloading. Then the next thing we're going to do right now, you can see right here, this is now PDF, okay. Let's try opening it to see if we've already created our ebook. You can see this is an ebook right now. If you scroll down, you're going to see table of content. You can easily share this to anybody and they can easily open it. Once you publish the book, then you can easily go ahead and promote it, all right. All you need to do is simply make sure that you copy the link from your Amazon KDP ebook, head over to that very post you've already made on your blog. Remember, traffic are coming up on your blog, all right. So you can easily give them that very link to download your new course, all right. And you don't need a laptop for this. Forget about the laptop that I use. I can easily do this with my mobile phone. All you need to do is simply download the Canva app, then register on Canva. So if you found this video helpful, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this very channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Don't forget to hit the link in the video description to join us on our Telegram channel to get more updates.